BigIQ unifies BigIP visibility, control, and automation. It's a unified platform to create, configure, provision, deploy, upgrade, and manage BigIP security and application delivery services. BigIQ is an important component of the F5 application delivery and security platform, the most extensive in the industry. Supporting both hybrid multi-cloud app infrastructure is today's reality, on-premise, private, or in the cloud. Effective management of this complex application landscape requires a single point of control that combines visibility, analytics, and actionable insight. Simplified management and policy authoring workflows. Automation tools that abstract complexity away and enable fast, consistent app delivery configuration and deployment. BigIQ centralized management enables you to take control of your applications and BigIP deployments, whether on-premise or in the cloud. BigIQ provides a dedicated, data-rich dashboard, reports, and analytics for deep insight and fast troubleshooting. You can automate creation, configuration, and management of application delivery and security services. It fosters collaboration between teams with role-based access control for visibility, provisioning, and management workflows. Enable visibility into encrypted traffic and threats with SSO Orchestrator and BigIQ. You can also manage, license, upgrade, and patch your F5 devices from a single location. Improve your policies with proactive analysis, anomaly detection, and reporting. Automate the management of certificates and keys for all your BigIP devices. Holistically manage F5 security and app delivery modules and policies via OpenAPI or the GUI. BigIQ and BigIP work together to keep apps available, performant, and secure. BigIP is a powerful multi-cloud application proxy platform with consistent policy enforcement across deployments, deep visibility into application traffic, including SSL and bot traffic, intelligent global and local traffic steering, app technologies for traditional and modern apps, best-in-class application and network security. BigIQ provides multi-cloud visibility and management of BigIP with global policy authoring, management and distribution, application-centric dashboards, analytics, insight, and control. Centralized device and services management via intuitive GUI, self-service templates and workflows, OpenAPI endpoints and automation, advanced security-specific visibility, insight, and management. Let's take a look at some of the role-specific workflows. The BigIQ application-centric workflows enable every member of the app team, from app owners to NetOps, to leverage the centralized management. BigIQ is your single source of truth. It gives you an easy audit point and centralized management. Security policies, holistic control, and managing owned apps are key features that BigIQ enables. For NetOps, it allows you to create and publish app service templates, assign roles and permissions, create and deploy new devices, upgrade and patch BigIPs, manage device certs and keys, automate and schedule reports, and feed telemetry into third-party analytics tools. From a SecOps-focused functionality, you can create and augment web application firewall policies, detect and respond to threat profiles, manage security holistically, bot detection, DDoS, access, and network, analyze, compare, and improve security policies and threat surface, detect anomalous behavior, and use APIs to provision security. For app-focused functionality, manage owned apps allows you to select the application services, select security policies, deploy to test and production, troubleshoot any issues, deploy apps and services with a GUI or API. Let's take a look at some of the BigIQ Key use cases. BigIQ unifies BigIP administration, visibility, and automation. It allows you to holistically manage BigIP devices and services across your application landscape. BigIP device and service lifestyle management, security-focused visibility and control, role-based access-enabled automation, self-service, and APIs, application-focused insight, visibility, and analytics. Simple BigIP device and service lifestyle management. Some of the challenges: unified BigIP operations and deployment consistency, large BigIP portfolios managed piecemeal, legacy or brownfield deployments, BigIP administration in hybrid and multi-cloud environments, effective management of BigIP certificates. For capabilities, you have end-to-end BigIP management for 1,500 instances and 1,000 apps, snapshot, backup, and restore deployments for disaster recovery scenarios, visibility and control of legacy deployments, templates for F5 devices, policies, and application services, manage VEs in any public and private cloud environment. And some of the benefits: it creates a one-stop app management solution, helps admins keep their finger of the pulse of BigIP deployments, standardizes app services and devices, ensures visibility and manageability of every F5 device, service, and policy. For security-focused visibility and control, some of the challenges are securing every application in portfolio from bad actors and automated attacks, a lack of deep visibility into overall security posture, ensuring consistency of app security, sharing security posture with broader teams, managing encrypted traffic with SSL Orchestrator at scale, aligning to shared security responsibility model. For capabilities, there's L7 security analytics, management, and reporting, network firewall management, visibility, and reporting, at-a-glance security summary bar, SSL Orchestrator dashboards and workflows, bot detection management, declarative templates for security, security reports scheduling, analyze and improve policies, and differential policy reporting. For benefits, proactively improve overall security posture, unify security management operations from Layer 4 to Layer 7, mitigate risks associated with encrypted traffic, ensure consistent security services and policies, protection from a variety of advanced threats including DDoS, bot, OWASP, top 10, and other common threat vectors. Role-based access control enabled automation, self-service, and APIs. Some of the challenges: automating management and orchestration of F5 devices and services, ensuring consistency of BigIP deployments, balancing the need for velocity with the need for governance and control, enabling self-service across teams and removing bottlenecks, aligning NetOps and SecOps to DevOps methodologies. For capabilities, there's the intuitive GUI or API for working with declarative technologies, additional and improved APIs, blessed and vetted services templates, role-based access control enabled workflows, dashboards, reports, and templates, integration with third-party automation tools, role-based access control for new workflows and new roles for BigIQ. Some of the benefits: save time and reduce errors, empower teams to self-serve with guardrails, ensure the right users have the right access, streamline application delivery and security with policy deployment, simplify creation, provisioning, and deployment of BigIP services, an application-focused insight, visibility, and analytics. Some of the challenges are client-to-server visibility of apps, visibility into distributed apps, pinpointing the cause of issues, awareness of performance or security issues, holistic application and services visibility and mapping, legacy BigIP deployment visibility. For capabilities, an intuitive, data-rich app dashboards for the entire BigIP suite, global view that represents related apps and services as single entities, at-a-glance or deep analytic dashboards, visibility into both BigIP physical, virtual appliances, and F5 OS appliances, brownfield and legacy deployment compatibility, automated, scheduled, reporting and alerting, data export for third-party analytics tools. And some of the benefits: simplify and streamline troubleshooting workflows, reduce MTTI and MTTR, get F5 developed or custom insights, intuitive, easy to consume Big IP analytics, and keep all teams informed. Some of the key features and functionalities of BigIQ: end-to-end manageability for the latest versions of BigIP, role-based access control, enabled dashboards, templates, and workflows, declarative configuration and management workflows via GUI or API, holistic, security-specific visibility, control, and reporting, automatic snapshots, backup, and failover for disaster recovery scenarios, unified view of apps and BigIP estate in any environment, Venafi and Let's Encrypt certificate platform integration, dedicated BigIP DNS management dashboard, and management workflows. I hope you enjoyed getting this overview of the F5 BigIQ Central Management Solution. Thank you.